Hello, welcome once again. Today we are going to embark on the identification of cables that we need in our solar installation. What are the cables that is needed when you are about to install your solar cell? We have preparation of cable, and in preparing the cables you should know the size of the cables that is needed per side depending on the capacity of what you are installing. Right now I want to show you the capacities we have, and these cables include from 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 16mm, 25mm. Then there are specific ones that are made for battery terminals. When we talk about the terminal of the battery, we mean the positive and the negative. And when you are using a cable for it, you should know that the thickness of the cable or the gauge of the cable should be adequate enough to handle the load. The load includes the charges that is passing out there, the voltages, and also the current flowing through it. Now I have some cables here, so you can bring it down so that you will see. So I have some cables here, you see. After our investigation in some of the installation we did, we discovered that most of the times the cables are not locked, and this can actually cause a loss of current in the system. How do I mean? When the current is not flowing directly to all of them, there will be a short of some current and short of charges, which will make the cable to heat up, and when it heats up, the system will definitely lose its quality in its performance. So but for us to do this, I have my cable here. This is my 16mm cable, and I have a way of preparing it before I go for the installation. First, I choose 10mm for my installation, and I choose 16mm or 25mm for battery connections. So here is what we call the interlocking side. So you can see it's flexible. It's something you can use per time. If you don't see this, all these connecting cables in your inverter or in any system that you bought, you can actually form it yourself. Let me show you right now how to form it yourself. Perhaps you are watching my video for the first time. Kindly subscribe or click on the subscription button, subscribe, so that you'll be getting my notification, because I'm always available to give you everything you need concerning solar. So right now, I will show you how you can form. See this cable? I have this one and I have this. So this is 16mm, this is another 16mm. I measured it according to the size or the space of my batteries. So I have full length here. The full length I have here. I have the full length here that I measure according to what I want to use. So right now, I want to prepare this cable for connections. What do I do? After measuring it and cut it out, what I will do is I will prepare the cable. For me to get my wire, I need to straighten it very well. For the cable preparation, I will use my plier or my cutter to make sure I get the size I need. Then I will see the way I position my hand. So what do I do? Without using force, you pin it. Don't apply force. If you apply force, you will cut the cable. You see the magic behind the preparation, and you can see the wire. Then after preparing it, I will come to an next end. You see? So this is, I've gotten this. Now what do I need to do? I will use my, you see, I have this cable log. This cable log is 25mm cable log. So I will use it to make sure that I cover this and to hold it tight. So you see the way I position it. Put it here. Use my plier. We actually have logging machine, but perhaps you don't have logging machine. Shouldn't bother. I'm going to show you how you can do it without logging machine. So you use your plier like this. See, I found something I need. So for us to get it tight, because we just use this to hold it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will use my hammer, bring it down, very down. Use my hammer, tap it. Then after this, I try opening it. Now you cannot remove this; it's very strong. So now this is formed. So the next thing I will do, no matter how we try to remove it, it will not go out. I will now use my tape to cover the places we are seeing. Position my tape. This is an insulation tape, so I will use it like this. I will do the second one, like I showed you. Do the second one like this. Still use my plier. Remember what we are doing, we are not cutting, we are not trying to cut this thing, we are trying to make it strong and tight, that no matter what happens, the cable log should not pull. So I will also come back, use my hammer on it, use your nail again. I have my nail here. Cut it like 3 to 4 places. Then you can hammer it again. You see now, you cannot remove it again. No matter how you try to remove it, it is too tight to remove. So what do? You use your tape again. And confirm. Isolate the naked places. So right now, follow me as I take it. So I've been able to see how I formed it. You see the one you give the jointing. So with this and this, you can choose the best. This is how we're able to form this. Follow me now as I go to the battery terminals where I will terminate it the way it should be. Let's go.